How to save significant costs with Emerson's repair program for ASCO tire curing valves. At Emerson, we want to make tire manufacturers more sustainable. 80% of worn or damaged valves can be repaired. The remaining 20% are replaced by new valves. This will save you up to 50% of the cost of a new valve. The fast and reliable repair program for ASCO tire curing valves. Used valves are sent to the Repair Center for ASCO tire curing valves from wherever you're located. When the used valves arrive at the Repair Center for ASCO tire curing valves, they are disassembled, all soft and worn parts are replaced, and the valve is clean. Valves are reassembled and tested in accordance with the original manufacturing specification. The repaired valve is returned to the customer. Emerson's repair program for ASCO tire curing valves, a sustainable program that saves you up to 50% of the cost of a new valve. Helping tire companies reduce costs and meet sustainability targets. For more information, visit emerson.com/tires.